Practice 3 simple meditations. Practicing meditation is easy. Regardless of whether you have already selected your meditation system or not, there is a set of simple meditation techniques that everybody can follow and find useful. Here I describe 3 simple meditation techniques, equally suited for beginners in meditation and experienced meditators alike. Silence, the shortest way to enlightenment. Purify your space with incense. Sit down, relax yourself, and perform your usual pranayama exercises. It is important that you relax your body as well as your mind. Firstly, gaze in the flame of a candle for some time, and then direct your life force inwards by using your natural breathing rhythm as a guide. Close your eyes and ears, and let the inner silence of your own being take over. Listen to your own silence for about 15 minutes. Perform this meditation daily. Meditation on a yellow rose. Practice this meditation in the morning hours, in a beautiful park or in your own garden. Sit down, and relax your body and mind. Perform your usual pranayamas. Become aware that you are in everything and that everything is in you. Focus your attention on a beautiful flower, but don't pick it. If possible, the flower you have chosen should be a yellow rose or a dandelion. Be aware that you are in everything and everything is in you. Gaze at the flower until you start to feel glimmer in front of your eyes. Be aware that you are in everything and everything is in you. Imagine that you are passing through a heavenly gate, illuminated by the morning sun, and then merge with the omnipresent aura of the cosmic spiritual sun. You are in everything and everything is in you. Be at one with all beings. You are in everything and everything is in you. Bringing the mind into the heart. Purify your room with incense. Sit down, relax yourself, and perform your usual pranayama exercises. Your mind and your heart should be one, not two. Concentrate on your breathing. Use your breathing process to direct your mind toward your heart. Encourage your mind to descend to your heart effortlessly, along with the breath that is being inhaled and exhaled. Finally, do not forget that meditation is a combination of 4 factors: pure prayer, pure light, pure energy, and pure love. Useful links: 7 rays meditation and invocation.